Okay.
I mean, I could. Want me to do them right in the middle or the driveway?
Driveway. I'm
Brother.
recording it from YouTube.
How'd you know, you guys?
I didn't know. Brother.
What? Wait, let me grab one. I'll pick one.
Brother, what one should we agree on?
No, I'm picking one. You just picked one. All right.
Just pick anything.
I want.
I'd start off with the smaller ones.
Yeah.
And Delilah, you pick the next one.
I want this one.
Okay.
I got a small
Flashlight.
one.
Okay.
Mommy, back up. Oh. Mommy, back up. Brother, back up.
I am.
Brother, you picked a nice one, Mommy, here. It's getting out purple.
Yeah.
Brother, come on.
Hold on. Not over yet.
That scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, it kind of did.
Bro, there's
All right.
smoke up there.
Yeah. All right. What one should we do?
Ow. I'm taking this one.
Wait. Stop.
I'm taking.
She opened it on the wrong side, so it might go
Get
again.
away! Come here!
It might fall over. See how it's tilted to the side?
Yeah. At least it was something.
Is it?
At least it was something.
I
Maybe.
think it's because it's to the side.
Mommy,
Yeah.
here. I was just getting one ready.
I'm making this into YouTube short because nobody watched my long form videos.
I got the pepper one ready.
Bro, you just picked that. We're picking one. I'm picking one on it.
I wonder what one I'm gonna pick. Wow! I picked a nice one. Oh man.
It's loud.
Yeah.
All right, do this one next.
I found a good one.
Okay. All right.
After yours, it's mine.
All right, guys. I'm making this YouTube short because nobody watched my long form video. So,
What are you
I'll
saying?
so I'll see you in part 2. Peace.